Hello, musicians. This is Corey Taylor from SkilledMusician.com, where we are helping musicians improve. Thank y'all so much for checking out this video. Now, in today's video, we are continuing with our hymn collaboration with Christine from Canada Music Lessons. And this is going to be a shorter video because I didn't want this topic to get lost in the sauce, and that is grace notes. So let's not waste any time. Let's get started. Now, you'll notice something else I'm doing. I'm kind of, um, in gospel music, we call it gracing. It's not actually gracing. In classical music, when you grace note, you kind of play it before the chord, like, or that's not what I'm doing. I'm kind of playing the chord and then resolving to the graced note. We try. It's our attempt to be like a guitar player because the guitars can bend into a note. We can't though. So, and the note I love doing this to. There are a few notes I love doing it to. I love doing it to the third of the chord. So if I'm playing a C major chord, the third of it, 1, 2, 3 is E. If I'm playing an F major chord, the third of it, 1, 2, 3, is A. If I'm playing a G major chord, the third is B. And so those notes I really love gracing in this case. And so what I do is I start a whole step lower. So instead of playing the E when I'm supposed to, I play the D and then later resolve to the E. So, so you hear it? Now I do my this kind of drop two kind of deal. What I mean by drop two, I mean drop the second highest voice, which in a triad is the middle voice. So that's what we're doing. So I'm not going. I'm playing the chord with the weird note, and then I'm resolving up to my target action, my action note. There it is. I did it again. I'm on G now. There's the third of G, B. Now watch this. Did you see where I did it that time? Did it down here. That's the third of my chord. I'm back to C major, right? And the third is down there. So now this time the third is in my left hand. I'm on F major. So the third is in my left hand. So I could do it in my left hand. Now we're getting a little low now. So let's go back to the beginning and try it one more time. One more time. I'll do the first one. All right. And then you can keep doing, you can do the whole song like that. All right. So this is a quick lesson, really short, but I want you to try doing these grace notes everywhere. See how it sounds to your ears. And if you like it, shoot me an email, tag me somewhere with a recording of you playing this song with these grace notes. All right. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment your suggestions for new videos below because I want to make the videos you want to see. All right. So until the next one, be blessed and happy practicing.